Hit the waves, surfing through English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English easy and fun to learn. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, hit the waves. Whether you're a beach lover or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. So, let's ride the language surf together and understand what it means to hit the waves. Hit the waves is a phrase that's rich in imagery and excitement. At its core, it means to go surfing or to start surfing on the sea. But it's not just about the literal act of surfing. It's also used metaphorically to mean starting any exciting activity or embarking on an adventure. Let's break down the words. Hit. This suggests action and immediacy. The waves, it refers to the sea waves, which are a surfer's playground. When someone says they're going to hit the waves, they're probably grabbing their surfboard and heading to the beach. It's a call to action that's synonymous with surf culture and the beach lifestyle. In this sense, the phrase is often used by those who love the ocean and water sports. Beyond the beach, hit the waves can also mean taking the plunge into new experiences. It's about being adventurous and embracing challenges. So when you hear someone excitedly talking about hitting the waves in life, they're ready to tackle something head-on, with energy and enthusiasm. Let's see how the phrase is used in sentences. After months of preparation, the team was ready to hit the waves and start the project. She decided to hit the waves and travel across Europe by herself. That's all for today. We hope you now feel confident understanding and using the phrase, hit the waves. Whether you're literally going to surf or metaphorically riding the waves of life, it's a phrase that captures the spirit of adventure. Keep practicing your English, and soon you'll be surfing through conversations with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning, and may you always hit the waves with confidence.